Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fruit bagels. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 4 cups of bread flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also, prepare 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast and 2 1/2 cups of warm water, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget your favorite dried fruit, like 1 cup of raisins or cranberries, to add that wonderful sweetness. Now let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, combine the warm water, yeast, and sugar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. This confirms your yeast is active. Next, add the flour and salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic. Finally, gently fold in your 1 cup of dried fruit. After your dough has risen, it's time to shape our bagels. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 4 ounces. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole directly through the center. Gently stretch this hole to about 1 1/2 inches in diameter, creating that classic bagel shape. Next, boil the bagels in a large pot of simmering water for 1 minute on each side. Almost there, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the boiled bagels to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Once baked, let your delicious fruit bagels cool completely on a wire rack. Then, slice them open, add your favorite cream cheese or butter, and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.